Hello, it is I, Victor. Welcome. We have nothing to review today or unbox, but what I have here with me is this little cutie pie. This is the Nokia 8110 4G. That's right, it's a reboot of the original 1996 version. It's called the banana phone for the curve, and it flips out like this. It would be more of a banana phone if we had the yellow one, but you make do with what you have. Now, why we're talking about this is because WhatsApp is finally available on this phone. This runs KaiOS, technically Smart Feature OS, that's based on KaiOS, that's based on Linux. You get the point. Now, because WhatsApp is now available on this phone and it doesn't cost a lot, it's below 400, about 300 if you can probably get it for about 280 ringgit. So you get other apps like YouTube, Google Maps, and the usual goodies you'd find on a smartphone. Now that we have WhatsApp, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, this phone is a bona fide daily driver if you're someone who travels a lot or a secret assassin, businessman. Let's get it started. Alright, now to get WhatsApp on the Nokia 8110 4G, simply download the app on the store, like so. And it should appear on page number 1 because it's new and it's on the communications tab. There you go. Hit select, hit get, and wait for it to install. There you go, it works. Now, time for the setup. Now, it seems like the setup is exactly the same as a regular smartphone. Let's look for Malaysia. And there you go, here it is. Let me put in my phone number. Next. Now, it's identical to how you'd set up on any other smartphone, so you'll be fine there. Let's just wait. Alright, there you go, it works. Now let me enter my name. Now because this isn't connected to my Play Store or my Apple account, it won't back up any of my chats, I'm assuming, but we'll see about that. And wow, and they're right, it's mostly group chats and very recent personal chats. Now if you look here, there's the options. You can mute groups, you can click group info, clear chat, the regular stuff, and of course you can start a new chat as well. Alright, let's see if I can start a new chat with a friend. Let's look for that friend, shall we? There you go. I'm hoping this works. Now let's see if I can send emojis. Pictures, contacts, and location. Well, at least there you go, you have a few options here. What about options? Nope. Turns out you can't send emojis, which is too bad. Nope, you can't send emojis. Well, let me just say hi then. Hit send. Alright, it went through. Now let's just wait for the reply. She's typing. There you go, it works! Haha! Alright, as you can see, you can delete messages as well. Simply hit up, go to options and delete. Now what we're gonna try to do is send location. You can send pictures, videos, audio, contacts, and location should be all the way at the bottom. Now let's just wait. It should send Google Maps locations. There you go, you got my location. Let's hit send. And it works! You can send location. Now you can go up to select the message. Now let's say if you want to delete another message, you can just technically go here, delete for me. There's also a delete for everyone. If it's your message, go to delete and delete for everyone. It works like the regular WhatsApp, except it's smaller, more compact, and more lightweight. There you go. Alright, WhatsApp works on the Nokia 8110 4G, and this is a feature phone that has features. It comes packed with YouTube, Google Assistant, Google Maps, and obviously WhatsApp. You have to download them on the Nokia store, but it works. KaiOS works, guys. And this doesn't cost a lot. It's about below 300 ringgit. And if you're a person who travels a lot and you don't want to bring your daily driver around, this will do the job, right? Because it has Wi-Fi, it has 4G LTE, this will get you by. Alright, that's all from me today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos on a weekly basis, remember to subscribe. If you'd like me to do other things like reviews and whatnot, remember to comment down below. And I'll see you the next time. See ya.